Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You have written your body paragraph 2. You have revised it to make it sound better. And now you are ready to edit your body paragraph 3 about Offspring. And you wrote your body paragraph 3 is what I meant to say. Remember, let's review how to edit. You will highlight where you need capital letters, highlight where you need punctuation. Here's some examples of punctuation. You will use a partner to help you circle misspelled words, and you will make those changes. So let's begin. First, I will highlight where I need capital letters. So let's see, I'm just going to read through and highlight where I need capital letters. I will use a different color than I've already used. So let's see, fennec fox offspring are called kits. The grape-sized babies are born in late winter, early spring. The mom, oh, that's a new sentence. So that T needs to be capital. We will go ahead and highlight using red since I haven't used that before. The mom can have between 2 and 5 babies at once. I have a period. They, that's capital. They are blind and helpless, so they need their loving mom. I have a period, but the next sentence does not have a capital, so I will highlight that in red. The babies drink milk from their mom because fennec foxes are mammals. They are adults when they are between 6 and 9 months old. So I have 2 capitals I need to add, and it looks like I had all of my periods. Yep. Oh, and right here I needed a period after the G because that was the end of a sentence. I thought I made that mistake. So period right here, capital here, capital here. Okay. Next, highlight where you need punctuation. I already did that. You're going to use a partner to help you circle misspelled words. I'm just going to go ahead and go circle those right now. So I know I need to spell babies correctly. I don't know why that comes through solid every time. I need to respell. Babies is actually misspelled 2 times. So that's something that a lot of kids make the mistake is how to write babies. That's a tricky one. Like babies. Make that transparent. I know that I misspelled. This is another mistake that a lot of kids make is there are 3 different kinds of the word there. And when I say their mom, this is not the one that I use. So I have to fix that. Because fennec fox, they're adults when they're between 6 and 9 months old. Oh, and let's see. I see right here, I have to circle R. That's a sight word. I should know that one. I shouldn't have made that mistake. Late should have an E, so I'm going to circle that one. And I'm circling them instead of changing them because in your paper, you should be circling them. And I don't want you erasing them because when you erase a lot, it just looks messy. And then early is another word that I spelled wrong. Okay, so now now I've highlighted capital letters, punctuation. I have circled my misspelled words, and now I'm ready to make changes. So it's really easy for me to change my capitals and periods. All I have to do is add a period, change that T to a capital, and change that T to a capital. For the spelling, I am going to cross off. I'm not going to erase because that just looks really messy, boys and girls. So I'm going to cross off. That's not what I wanted. I want a line. Maybe if I start outside of, oh, there we go. Having a hard time making that line. Cross off late. I'm going to cross off early. I need to cross off R. I need to cross off babies. Oh, that didn't work. I need to cross off babies again. And the word there. So now that I've circled them, crossed them off, I'm going to use a text box to spell them correctly. If you noticed, I wrote babies correct right here. It has an I-E-S. So over here where I spelled it wrong, I'm just going to write that on top. B-I-E-S. Looks like I need to make that bigger. I will do that again on the other babies. It's exactly the same. Babies, I-E-S. And then I'll fix the other ones. So I have late. Late has an E, so L-A-T-E. Okay. Early has an A, so I should go E-A-R-L-Y. So I was really close. Let's see. R has an E, so on the top of there, I'm going to write A-R-E. There. So I told you there's 3 different kinds of there. The word there, E-R-E, means like over there. But when I'm talking about their backpack or their desk or their mom, I would do T-H-E-I-R. And it looks like I have made all of my spelling changes. So now you know how to highlight where you need capital letters, highlight where you need punctuation, use a partner to help you circle misspelled words, and make changes. Now it is your turn to edit your paragraph. Have fun.